Hello everyone. Today I switched my broadband from BT to Vodafone. So we're going to unbox their router and see what is in there. First of all, it comes in a brown box, posted with the brown box. Let's open it. So this is the one. Oh, this box is quite nice. Let's open up. Alright. So first of all, when you open the box, you get some diagram, like how does it work, all the pattern they used it. So one of them just for phone socket, this diagram, and that is for optic fiber, I believe. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to open it and see what is in there. First of all, there is broadband setup guide you get. Second one is product safety information. Okay, and this is the actual router, broadband router. This looks quite nice, and they promise their speed would be constantly more than 54 MB. As you can see in the router, there are RJ45 connector, wireless LAN, power off and on switch, reset push pin, and the power cable port. And at the bottom you would have your details, okay, MAC codes and everything. That's the one thing. Let's open up this, what is in there. So this is the power adapter. The power adapter is quite improved. It's not like ordinary adapter. Okay. And this is less than, I think, 2.5 amp output. Microfilter, RJ45 cable, and Ethernet cable. This is very straightforward and simple. Example, today I'm going to show you how to connect it to your existing broadband router. So this is the actual master socket. This microfilter goes to master socket. So almost every single home broadband setup procedures are same. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna take out the new master filter and all those cables, because this is going to be quite messy, because I already previously had my BT. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to swap the actual router and see if it does work. Okay, so stay with me, and in that way we don't have to change all the wire, because sometimes it's very difficult to change the wire. As you can see, my router cable, everything goes behind the sofa, so it's going to be very difficult, and I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap just the router box and everything should be fine. That's what's supposed to be. So let's check. As you can see, the router, light is amber color, so that means it's not working because the line has suspended. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out. I left the Ethernet cable connected, the previous one, because all the cables are same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put just the box. So let's position it here obviously I need the power supply. It's very simple. Put it here, turn it on. As you can see, the light indicator is turning on, and I'm going to put my old connected Ethernet cable, and everything should be this is my existence Ethernet cable. I'm going to put it right here. As you can see, it says internet, the red one, and it should be okay. As you can see, that is flashing. Let's turn off the light. So red light should be turned into frosted, and everything will be back to normal. Now the red is stable. It's not flashing. Here you go. As you can see, the internet also came out. Now we need only the Wi-Fi also ready, and it should be fine. That's how simple it is. Okay, so I'm going to check on the Wi-Fi list if that is already online and ready to connect. So now the internet indicator is not flashing anymore. It's stable frosted, so that means the broadband is ready. So now let's connect it and check if it is working. So this is my Mac. I'm gonna go to Vodafone. Yes, this is live. 12375. Fine, and it's gonna ask me for the PIN number. I mean for the Wi-Fi password. Okay. So I'm gonna start. So the password already entered. Let's check. I maintain the upper and lower case. Here we go. So now you're going to see this page will pop up. Okay, it is asking about your content control. So obviously some sites, you know, you can increase and decrease. Super safe. Then you can't get into every single, website. Okay, so I'm going to save on default, which is recommended. Start using your broadband. Click here. Accept all cookie. And this is the home page. Okay. So that's how you set up your Vodafone home broadband. Okay. I didn't change the previous wiring because that would be sometimes very difficult. Okay, if you're not messy like me, that's okay, that's fine. You can install all the new accessories that they gave you, like microfilter and other cables, but I kept the existence wiring. So I just put the new router on and it's plugged and connected to the previous Ethernet cable, which is once again on the red one, and everything is fine. Okay, I hope this video would be helpful for you guys. If you do like, please thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. That would really help me. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.